Titan 500 Smart long-range detecting gold, precious metals, buried treasures, diamonds, and gemstones. Titan 500 with its all-new design, the first of its kind in the world. After the great success of Ger Detect in cooperation with UIG detectors, the Titan Ger 500 device, which has achieved a great advantage over the past 5 years. It has completely developed the device into a Titan 500 smart device with the addition of more systems and the development of the device's characteristics with the new professional techniques in capturing targets for long distances, with high accuracy and determining the depth in an easier and more accurate way. We offer you a detailed explanation of the installation method and the operation of the Titan 500 Smart, which works with 4 different search systems: the Diamond Search System, the Precious Stone Search System, the Gold and Precious Metals Search System, Depth Determination and Results Analysis System. Titan 500 Smart is a multifunctional device for searching for diamonds, precious stones, gold and precious metals in the ground. Super speed in capturing targets and locating them accurately. Searching for large and small diamonds. Search for gems and capacity to discover 18 different species. Sapphire, emerald, quartz, topaz, granite, amethyst, lapis lazuli, tourmaline, columbite, tanzanite, turquoise, peridot, alexandrite, cat's eye, ruby, jasper, opal, aquamarine. Searching for precious metals such as ancient buried gold, gold nugget, platinum, silver, bronze, zircon, cobalt, coltan, copper, mercury, meteorites, osmium. Determining the depth of the target in meters and marking it easily and with high accuracy. Determine the continent to be searched. A screen that supports the touch system, which has many advantages and features. An electronic thermometer with a device screen which measures the weather temperature. A digital clock. Mute and activate the device's sound. Super antenna, which helps the device to cover large areas of research. First, open the device case to identify its attached components. A carrying and protection case of the device made of shock-resistant plastic. A 2-year warranty card. The main unit of the device. Device handle. Device charger. Car charger. Super antenna. Three antennas. First, install the handle of the device. and then install the super antenna. Technical specifications of the super antenna. The fastest and easiest system for discovering diamonds, precious stones, gold, and precious metals in the ground. This antenna works by a spiral system that specializes in covering large distances of research. This giant antenna consists of transmitter and receiver that works according to the principle of ground induction and signal analysis process. When the device works, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver, and the antenna generates an eddy current signal. This leads to the generation of helical waves and their amplification by more than 1,000 times to help the device receive the signal and reach the covers of large areas within a few seconds. Install small antennas specialized in receiving the signal emitted by small targets. Install the recipient antenna for targets. After completing the installation of all parts, the device is ready for use. In the interest of the company to ensure that you apply the rules of using its products accurately and to obtain the best results, its team has carried out field work accompanied by a detailed explanation of how to search for targets and determine their depth. By testing the device on a target, a piece of quartz that was previously buried, that is 6 years ago. As a user, you must remove all belongings that affect the operation of the device. Example: watch, mobile phone, wallet, ring, or a belt. You should stay away as much as possible from the place of these things and energy resources, phone network, electronic devices, or people who are in the search area and who carry metals or mobile phones. Turn on the device by pressing the on-off button for 2 seconds. After turning on the device, the following data will appear on the main screen: battery level indicator, clock, temperature, activate and mute button, in addition to the following icons. Settings icon. It contains the working languages of the device, which are German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Arabic. Device settings icon through which you can set sound level, brightness level, time settings, device information. Locate icon and choose the continent you want to search within. The unique feature was added due to the different frequencies of diamonds, precious stones, gold, and precious metals underground from one continent to another. Search settings. Choosing the type of the underground target you would like to search for: diamonds, gemstones, or minerals. After selecting the target type, the device will return to the search screen. Determine the front range of the device. When the front range is selected, the device will return to the search screen automatically. Determine the type of soil. You can choose the type of soil in the search area: clay, mineral, natural, mixed, sandy, rocky. To get more accurate results, the device will also return to the search screen after choosing the type of soil. Search icon. The device will start the search directly depending on the preset and saved settings by the user, which are target type, front range, soil type, continent. You can choose the target you want to search for example, quartz, which also appears in the search screen. Then choose the front range you want to reach, from 100 meters to 500 meters, 1,000 meters, 1,500 meters, 2,000 meters, 2,500 meters, 3,000 meters. For example, 500 meters. Example, if the front range of the target to be searched is expected to be within an area of 500 square meters, it is sufficient to specify the front range within 500 meters. But if the front range of the target to be searched is unknown, you can specify the front range up to 3,000 meters. Note, the explorer must stand facing north to south. Whereas ionic fields are radiations emitted by diamonds, gemstones, gold, and precious metals after being buried for a long time underground, and their interaction with the soil and the nature of the Earth's formation and its regularity with the magnetic lines in the north and south. Note, the balance of the device must be maintained during use and search by installing the red dot in the middle of the circle icon until it turns white. The device will start sending and receiving signals directing you towards the target with a continuous sound. When getting any signal, the device will turn towards the target directly with the target direction indicator appearing on the screen, accelerating the sound and the appearance of the depth icon. Note, do not click on the depth icon until after confirming the target from the 4 directions. Confirm the direction of the target from all 4 directions to ensure that the target is reached more precisely. Follow the signal, and when the device turns back, you will have passed the target. Then confirm the location of the target from 4 directions, from south to north, north to south, from west to east, and east to west. Limit the search side by placing a mark that will be the center of the target confirmation operations. When standing above the center of the target, the device will rotate directly above the target. After you've confirmed the location of the target, press the depth icon and then move away from the center of the target a distance of at least 2 meters. Point the device towards the target while maintaining a balance of the device. Press the start button. Wait until you hear a beep from the device. Then walk towards the target until the device rotates backwards. With the appearance of an icon indicating the rotation of the device towards the back. Turn in the opposite direction. Press the start button. Wait until you hear a beep emanating from the device, and the icon shifts from the rotation position to the forward position. Then walk until the device rotates backwards. the device will analyze and show the final results automatically. The following results and conditions will appear on the device screen when confirming the presence of a target. Noise. It is the percentage of noise in the search area that results from proximity to energy sources, telephone networks, metals, mobile phones, electronic devices. Confirmation of the target. The percentage of confirming the presence of the target in the search area. Depth. It is the depth within which the target is likely to be located. Example, the depth is located between 900 centimeters to 1 meter and 24 centimeters. Noise, 5%. 92% goal confirmation. The following icons will also appear on the results screen. The main menu. When you press the icon, you can return to the main menu. Search. When you press this icon, you can return to the search screen. Depth. If the depth does not appear in the final results, you can click on the icon to reset the depth. Note. If the device is not used correctly, or there's a higher rate of noise, in these cases the device will not be able to confirm the target and determine the depth. The search depth of the Titan 500 smart device reaches up to 120 meters in the ground, and the front range is 3,000 meters. The Titan 500 smart device has been developed to make it easier to work in all kinds of soils and in the toughest climatic conditions. The Titan 500 Smart has the capacity to penetrate the layers of the Earth to depths that are difficult for many devices to reach. The Titan 500 Smart is one of the best German industries. It has the European CE certificate according to the international standards, in addition to the international ISO 9001 certificate according to the international manufacturing norms and standards. The real exploration journey does not require going to new lands, but rather requires seeing with new eyes.